Namaskar, stand students. This is our first class of this is our first class today of 2022. We are discussing about the first chapter, recall chapter. Recall chapter, page number 5. Recall chapter, page 5. You can see the name of the chapter is recall chapter. Recall chapter is actually the revision chapter of standard 2. Whatever we have learned or know on or come to know on the standard 2 in standard 2, it is the summary or gist of this chapter in standard chapter 1. Chapter 1, recall chapter. So let's start our reading. Page number 6, uses of computer. Nowadays, computer plays an essential role in our life. It is used in colleges, research centers, schools, banks, railway stations, airport, offices, hospitals, defense, etc. You can see these are the fields or some places where computer is used. What are the names of those fields or places? Colleges, research centers, schools, banks, railway stations, airports, offices, hospitals, defense, and etc. Okay, it helps us in storage of data, it helps us in calculation, and helps us in preparing documents. Now, those are the things point out. Computers can be used in banking transactions. Banking transactions means money transaction. Computers can be used to purchase things through online shopping. Purchase means buy. We can buy online anything. There are some softwares which helps us to buy online, like Amazon. Okay. Now, next point, computers can be used to pay utility bills from home. You can many softwares are there, like Amazon also helps to pay online. Now, computers can be used in hospitals for different functions. Computer can be used in banks for keeping and tracking records. Computers can be used in schools for storing data and other jobs. Computers of earlier days were very large and took large time to process as compared to modern day computer. Computers of earlier days, that means when computers were invented in the first time, on that time computers were large in size and took big or large time to process anything. Okay. Now, open page number 7. You can see there is a picture of keyboard and there is a picture of mouse. In upper portion, the picture of keyboard, you can see the name of the keys written. Okay. There are symbolic keys, number keys, alphabet keys, and other special keys. There are two number keys, two different places. One in this portion and another one in this portion. Okay. Now, it can be asked that how many alphabet keys are there. We know that English, there are 26 alphabets in our English grammar. As usual, there are also 26 alphabet keys. And how many number keys are there? If we count from 0 to 9, how many number keys were there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many number keys are there? 10 number keys. Count again from 0 to 9, you can see there are 10 number keys. Okay, then comes next the picture of mouse. The picture of mouse, there are two click buttons, and the middle one, the wheel one, is known as scroll button. Okay, the left button known as left button used to left click, and the right click comes from right button. Okay, so there are many more things in this recall chapter. You can see there are some names of MS Paint tools, and next comes the WordPad, and the main parts of WordPad will be also written here. Study this very well. Then it is written here some important notes about computer. So read this very carefully and study it in your home. In our next class, we will discuss more about this chapter. Till then, namaskar all students.